YouTube, Devin Dog here. Welcome back to another video where today we are making not a normal gingerbread house. So you're wondering, hey Devin Dog, why do you have this box in your hand? Well, you're about to find out right now. So today we are doing a social experiment that no one on YouTube has never done before. And this is going to go on a very popular YouTube. So let's get started. So it says, build it yourself. A gingerbread doghouse kit. So there's a normal gingerbread house. I can just flip it over to this bad boy. So there's a normal gingerbread house. There's a little trailer, just a little doghouse, and there's a gingerbread man. So apparently they took the gingerbread house and they crossed it off the list this year. So this year we are doing the dog one. There's all the stuff we have. And then next year we're gonna do the little trailer. And then I think I can ask if we can do all of them so it'll look like a special dog or like social experiment. It might get a little dark out because it's very dark. I just gotta crop my phone like so. La 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 land. La 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 la. Rat tat tat rat tat tat. Can I use something? I was gonna use it. Come on! Okay, wait a minute, wait. Something on the out. Can I do this? I can do this. Oh no. Come on! Can I? Please tell me I can. Go! Okay, I don't know if they can see, so we're just gonna crop that! Wait, do you have anything I can use for this?
I'm busy.
So am I.
So you do.
Okay, no, you're making
Oh,
me
you
dummy.
crapping facer.
Oh, you're a crapping facer.
I am not, baby. I'm starting it, Deb. You gotta start it because it's never gonna get done otherwise.
Well, I want to help you.
Well, get over here and help me then. Fuck that phone.
It's going on YouTube. So, can you say? Okay, we got it. It's staring at you, Mary. How do you like them apples? I'm just going over to the other side of my aunt, so you might not see me. Hello, YouTube. I'm right here.
Yeah, don't use a lot.
How many do you?
Wait now. You gotta do it on the side. This is gonna be a treat.
So I have to do it on the side like this?
No. You have to do it on the side like there.
Come over here and sit down.
The side right here?
Like this. Look.
Put it over here.
Let me show you. Point it up like this. Hold it up like that.
Okay.
You want to put it on the side like that.
Oh!
Okay.
I'm going on the other side.
And then on the side like this.
Oh! So but then I have to hold it when I do that?
Yes, you do.
Okay, can you get it, please? Pass me that.
Here, put it on there. You got enough on there?
Okay, like that?
Yeah?
Yeah, you better stay.
Yeah, right.
Can I like this icing?
Only it worked out.
Can I like that?
Easy.
Can I like the icing in this?
No,
Or is it
because we
poison?
need it.
Is it poison?
No, it's icing.
Guys, this is not poison. You just can't eat it. Even though it looks yummy, you cannot eat it.
So,
Ah! Give me it. Dang it. Oh!
that's what I said.
Stop teasing me! She's good. You're teasing YouTube. She seriously
You got to get that icing and go along the side here.
This one?
Yep.
Right here?
No. In the inside.
Okay, where?
Yeah, that's right. No. Up along that line. Yep. All the way now. Straight down.
Straight down this line.
Yeah, like that.
turn this on like that.
Yeah, you gotta get a little closer though.
Like this?
Yeah,
Come on.
that's good. That's good.
There we go. I liked it. Yeah. Danny.
Go get a knife for me, Athena.
Okay.
Please. Get the little orange Pokemon. You use that.
Oh, okay.
That'll be perfect, actually, if it's in there.
Does she even know what you're talking about?
Yeah, she does. What?
You're the person I'm talking about, so you don't have to say yes, because it's you we're talking about. You can use this.
All
It's
right.
weird kind of kryptonite.
Hold this thing. Dev.
Weird kind of. I guess.
Just like that. Yeah, just like that. Got it? Don't slide him. Just leave him. Just hold him. Got it? Oh, you slid this one. There you go.
All you see is arms. But this is part 1, and I'm going to post part 2 in a few when this tries in an hour. I know it's ridiculous, right?
Got a patience when you do this.
Yeah. My dog just sitting there like, what are you doing? Are you making me a dog gingerbread house? Fish. I know this is kind of boring, guys. But it's really not.
Okay, where's the other part?
What other part?
The back of the doghouse.
Back of the dog house? I'll get it. Let me bring over all the parts so you can see.
Just bring over the back for now.
Oh, over the back. Okay. Give me the back.
Yeah, no, they are.
Put it.
Over there, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. Is it the biggest one?
No, bring them all over. Bring them all over.
Okay.
Good idea.
Rockstar.
Yep. Hey, grab them.
Hold it with 2 hands. Toki doki. Triangle.
Here, they hold this one.
Yeah, I'll get it. Tell me which one. Grab. Which one there?
Hold. Just hold this one there. What? Hold this right here.
Which one?
This
Any
one.
of these 3?
Just hold that right there.
Which any of these 3, Mayor?
Huh?
Any of these 2?
Yeah.
Does it really matter if I pick this one?
Doesn't matter.
Because they're the same. I'm just gonna pick the uneven.
No, that's the roof. We can't do that till later.
And where's the back?
Right there.
This?
Yeah.
What?
The front. No, that's the back. The front has a door.
That's the front, right?
Yep. Telling you.
It's right there, that box. Okay. Gotta put it all down. You might see black, but I'm alright. You're alright.
Hmm?
You're alright. You're alright. You're alright. There you go. You need this one? My battery's on 15. I have got to charge these. So I will. So YouTube, this is clearly it till an hour, which will be 10 o'clock, and I will let you know. So goodbye.